Hey guys, welcome back. I've got some fun stuff to show you. I'm using Peppy products and I'm doing this gorgeous rose quartz design. I don't know if I'm doing this right, but I'm doing it the way I'm doing it. So on the base of my nail, as like the background, I've got Stolen Innocence. And I've mixed up a little concoction. I've got some clear, I've got some of that Stolen Innocence, and I'm gonna put in here some French white. I'm gonna go over everything with the French pink later. You'll see that coming up. So I did this on a few nails already, so there was some sort of marbly action going on inside of my little marbly container thing. I'm gonna take my cuticle pusher. You can take a swatch, whatever you have around. I'm gonna make a couple of little dots with the white. And I'm gonna swirl that around here in a minute and make some sort of a little marbly design. So here's the thing with the marbly stuff. It is so trial and error, hit or miss, because especially with colors like this where they're so light, it's really tough to see where everything is going to be, and you kind of just have to like say a prayer to the nail gods and hope for the best. So I've gotten that mixed up, marbled, and then I made sure to level it out, and you can see the marblishness mixed in there. And I'm just going to let it fly and see what happens. None of my nails look the same. I'm wearing them right now. They look gorgeous, but none of them look the same, which I think I kind of love about this style is they can all look super different and they still look gorgeous. So I'm just gonna do, I have 2 layers right now of the Stolen Innocence, and I'm gonna do a layer of base, and then I'm gonna dip into this marble concoction, and we're gonna see how it all shakes out. I am going to turn my finger upside down and kind of lay it down in there a little bit. See? Upside down. And I mean, I have a marble video that I've done before. I'll link it up here. I think this came out way better. I don't know why, but I loved it. Look how, oh, it looks so good. I don't know how it works, but it does. I'm gonna do my normal thing. I'm gonna take my cuticle stick and just run around the cuticle area and the sidewalls to make sure I don't have any excess stuff hanging around over there. I feel like when you lay into powder like this, it can kind of like smush and widen out towards your sidewall, so you just want to get all that off. And then I'm brushing off excess like I normally would, and that's what it looks like. Now here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to take my French pink, which is a very, very sheer, translucent white pink. Transparent? Translucent? You know. And I'm going to go over and encapsulate with the French pink. And I feel like doing this kind of mutes down that white that you marbled with a little bit, and it just makes it look a little bit more subtle and not like you marbled with white. You know what I'm saying? It gives more of that rose quartz effect. So I'm going to go ahead and do that real quick, and I will be right back. So now that I've gone ahead and encapsulated that rose quartz design with the French pink, I'm gonna go ahead and activate. And again, I'm using all Peppy products today. So I'm using my step 2, which is set. And I'm not doing a clear cap. Normally I would, just to, you know, protect the design. But I didn't want to make these super bulky because there is a good amount of dip powder on them already, and you know, I'm not doing a whole lot of filing. Peppy powders are really very nice. They sit very nicely on the nail. They're pretty level. So I'm just going to do, you know, a little basic filing and shaping, and I will run my E-file over top of this. But yeah, I did not clear cap. You can if you want to. I mean, if you have a little bit more length to your nail and you don't mind having that extra bit of thickness, definitely go ahead and do a clear cap over this, but meh. I'm living on the edge today. So as always, want to keep you updated as possible. I have a couple of other things that I have coming up in the near future. My next upload is going to be my panda dips with gel liquids instead of dip liquids, so I will be doing that coming up here soon. I am planning my 5K giveaway already because you guys are nuts. And you keep subscribing. I don't know why. Speaking of which, if you haven't yet, you should. Shameless plug. So I will be doing another giveaway for my 5K, and that's going to be super special coming up soon because it's going to be a sponsored giveaway, but it's going to be sponsored by you guys. You probably have a confused look on your face right now, and I will tell you why. Well, not why you have a confused look, why you're confused. So, as you guys know, I have some links down there in the description box where you can get a little bit of a discount for some of the products that I use, including, but not limited to, Katie Skincare, Peppy Gel, Revel Nail, Panda Dips. You know, I have a bunch of different coupon codes down there. And while the only companies I'm really affiliated with are Maniology, I do receive commission from Maniology for products purchased using my code. And I do work with Peppy Gel. I'm not commissioned by Peppy Gel, but I do work with them. But some of the links that I have, for example, Revel Nail. I do get Revel points for purchases made using my referral link, which enables me to buy more stuff to play with and make more videos with. So it's going to be a Revel giveaway and sponsored by you guys because I was able to use my Revel points to pay for a whole bunch of fun stuff thanks to you. So giving your stuff back a little bit. You know, if that's the only thing I can do to show my appreciation for you guys, then that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to give back as much as I can and say thank you so much to you guys who help support me and my channel and my cause over here, making the world beautiful one hand at a time. So you can look forward to that coming up. I'm going to cruise through my e-file here, and then we'll get into some top coat. And I'm gonna do a gel top coat, but I'm gonna use gel top coat from Nail Addict LA. I've used it once before and I loved it. I've heard really good things about their no wipe top coat, which I haven't gotten yet. It's in the mail, should be getting it soon. So I'm gonna use their regular gel top coat, and you'll see that here in a minute coming up. So stick around and I'll be right back. So I've gotten all my filing and e-filing done. I'm going to go in with my Nail Addict LA top coat. This is a gel top coat, so it does require a UV light. It's not a no wipe, so I'll have to wipe it down with alcohol, after it's done curing, which is not a deal breaker. It's just alcohol. I don't really care. One thing I wanted to mention, I know you guys probably saw my first impressions review of Nail Addict LA. I'll leave a link over here if you haven't seen it. I am not sure if this is 100% true. I believe it to be true, but I'm going to throw it out there. I believe that Nail Addict LA is either a sister company or a daughter company or an affiliate company of Madam Glam. And I believe this because I ordered, oodles more gel polish from them, and I believe the receipt on my PayPal said paid, yada yada dollars to Madam Glam. And I'm like, well, that explains the quality of product, because their gel products are just phenomenal. I have zero negative things to say. I love the way they perform. I love the way they held up. They're just great gel products. I'm not sure as it stands right now if they're still doing their 50% off promo on their website, but I'll keep you posted. So definitely check that out. I do have a discount code for them if that promo is no longer going on. It's Marla25, and that'll save you 25% off of Nail Addict LA. I'll leave the link in the description box. Nope, not commissioned, just a little savings for you guys. But if they're doing the 50% off promo, you cannot use that discount code. So you can try. You can try all day, but it won't work. So I'm going to finish off top coat. Everything cured and everything is now clean with the alcohol and my paper towel. And I'm going to go ahead and put on my Candy Skincare Cuticle Oil. I think this design came out just gorgeous. If you haven't seen the color blocking video on my left hand, I'll link it up here for you. But yeah, the Peppy products are great. I mean, I wouldn't work for a company that I didn't think was fantastic. So I will make sure to leave a link for all the products I used from Peppy and Nail Addict LA and Candy Skincare, and everything will be in the description box. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you all in my next vid. Love you, bye.